First, we see that this is an auto and it's under operator. What we want to do is change that to manual and technician. First, we got to change technician, which we go into level 5 and log as a technician. Enter the passcode is 2222. Enter twice, and now we're in technician. Now we want to get into manual mode. To do that, we go into level 3, where it says manual here, auto. We hit enter. It's manual. And that's what we want. Now to calibrate the pumps, we go into config, previous field, next field gets you to jump. And what we want to do, first we want to go into hardware test and make sure this direct board control is off. If it's not off, you hit enter, turn it on. In this case, we're going to leave it off. Now you want to exit this screen and go to next field, pump and stir setup. Here it'll give you a list of pumps of what this has. As you can see, this one here, if we hit the enter button, all right, you'll see it's got previous field, gets you to jump to all these settings. As you see, previous field. Now once you're there, you can see which pumps you have. Okay, this has a Cal valve peristaltic, DI water peristaltic, KOH peristaltic, HMB piston pump, blank, and then the stir. So we go here to Cal valve pump. Next field, down to calibrate flow rate, hit enter, remove cell, attach measuring cylinder, press enter when ready, boom, hit enter. And that's how you do it. Follow this procedure for all pumps, both peristaltic and piston.